Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Kia Stinger spark plugs. This task is manageable with the right approach and tools. You will need a 10mm socket, a 5/8" spark plug socket, various extensions, and a torque wrench. Having a universal joint or swivel socket will be especially helpful for certain cylinders. This simple maintenance can significantly enhance your engine's efficiency and responsiveness. Before beginning, always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns and damage. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Next, remove the engine cover, which usually just pulls off. You will then see the ignition coil packs. Gently unclip and disconnect the electrical connectors from each coil pack, taking care not to damage the small plastic tabs. With the coil packs exposed, use a 10mm socket to remove their mounting bolts, then carefully pull each coil pack out. Now, use your 5/8" spark plug socket with extensions and swivels to reach and remove the old spark plugs by turning counterclockwise. Insert the new spark plugs, hand tightening them to avoid cross-threading. Finally, use a torque wrench to tighten them to 20 foot-pounds. Once all new spark plugs are installed, carefully reinsert each ignition coil pack, ensuring it seats firmly over the spark plug. Reconnect all electrical connectors until they click securely into place. Replace the engine cover, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Finally, start your engine and listen for any unusual sounds or misfires, confirming a successful spark plug replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.